Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix runtime errors for Windows 11. So guys, if you are using any computer, PC or laptop, so you can fix runtime error very easily. Just click on start, then type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to type this command line sfc space slash scan now, then press enter. Guys, this scanning process will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning. And once this scanning process complete up to 100%, so type this second command line. Once this complete, so type this second command line dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup image space slash restore health. So type this command line and press enter again. And also guys, this will take couple of minutes to complete this scanning. And once this scanning will complete, close it and restart again. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve runtime errors for Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.